Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to cook Armenian cheese pie. This is very delicious, easy to make, you can feed yourself and your family. Let's get started. Okay guys, so for the ingredients, first you are going to need 3.5 cups of cheese. You can use any cheese you like. I'm personally using American, Greek and cream cheese. Next we have the oregano. Give it some extra flavor. Then we have crushed red pepper for some extra spice. Then we have half a cup of parsley, half a cup. Then we are going to use half a teaspoon of baking soda. And then we have 1 cup and 1/3 cup of the milk. Then we have 2 big eggs. And last 5 cups of flour. 5 cups of flour. So we are going to mix this all together to make a nice cheesy dough. Let's get started. Okay guys, so we are going to start off by putting 2 eggs in the bowl. 1 and the 2. Okay, then we are going to put 1 and 1/3 cup of milk. Okay guys, so I just put 1 teaspoon of the salt and half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. So now we are going to whisk it until we get a nice golden color. This may take a few minutes, I don't know, but just whisk it till you get the nice golden color. Okay, that should be good. Okay guys, so after we whisk it and get nice color, we are going to add half a cup of parsley into the bowl. Then we are going to add all the cheese in the bowl, everything. Okay, now we are going to mix a little bit more, crush up the cheese all together like this. You wanna whisk it for a few minutes, break everything down, get a nice texture. Okay, so after we mix the cheese and everything together, we get something like this. Now we are going to slowly add the flour and mix it with our hands at the same time. So we slowly add the 5 cups of flour and then we mix it all together. You can use your glove if you don't want to get hand dirty. That's up to you. Then we add some more and keep mixing till we get a hard dough. We need a good dough. We are making Armenian pie. Okay, keep mixing and mixing all day. Some more flour. Just like this. Little bit more flour. Alright, that should be good. Okay guys, now keep mixing till the dough is ready and we'll be back. Okay guys, so after you mix a little bit in the bowl, you get something like this. Then you grab something to put on the table and you grab some flour. Oh yeah, put the flour everywhere. Get nice good thing. Then we take the dough and we throw it right here. Now we're gonna keep mixing it. Nice and good, get nice good dough. Keep mixing it, mix it with the flour. Okay guys, so now you wanna create like basketball. Big ball like this. There we go. Get all the flour in there and keep molding it like this, like a soccer ball. Okay guys, after we create this ball, we take a knife and we cut it in half. Just like that. Perfect size, perfect look. Alright, next step. Guys, after you cut in half, you guys wanna push the dough like you make a pizza. Like you make a pie. You wanna go like this. Create nice circle. Nice round circle. Oh yeah, this gonna be good. Oh man. And little tip for you guys. If you feel like your hand is getting sticky, you get little canola oil and put a little bit like this. Get the hand nice and wet. And then you move on forward. Like this. Oh man. Okay. I'm thinking it's ready. Now all we have to do is we have to cut it in pieces, like a pie. Let's get started, my friends. Okay. First, in half. Like that. Then from the side. Okay, then diagonal. As many pieces you have in your family, that's how much you want to make. Oh yeah. Okay. Now from this side. Perfecto. I work in the kitchen maybe 40 years. This is what they teach me. Okay guys, so we cut it in the pieces and we have the other half left. This you can make the same way and cook it, or you can leave it for later, wrap it up and put it in the freezer for another day. Okay, so now we are about to start cooking. So let's grab this and let's go to the stove. Come with me guys. So here we have a pan. You need big pan so the pizza pie can fit. Now we're gonna add the canola oil. You wanna put a good amount so it doesn't stick on the pan, but not too much because we wanna stay healthy. Health is wealth. Okay, that's good, my friends. Now we're gonna let it heat up. Then we're gonna put the pizza in the pan. And now we just gotta wait. Let's see. Okay guys, oil is very hot. I want to tell you guys, be careful. Stand back a little bit because it's gonna start spraying everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna grab a little spatula. We're gonna put one piece on it like this. Okay, then we're gonna put on the pan. Actually, you know what? I don't like this. I'm gonna use my hand. Sometimes you have to improvise. Okay. One, let's go. Then we have a second one. Like that, yeah, that's a good sound. That's the sound you want to hear, guys. You want to hear the popping. Okay. Oh yeah. This is gonna be so good. Fit as many as you can. If you can't fit, you wait so they cook, then you put the rest in. I can only fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 more left. I put it in later. It's okay guys. Okay guys, so now it's cooking. We're gonna put a little bit of oregano for some extra taste. Yeah, sprinkle a little bit on each one, not too much. Just a little bit. Okay guys, so you wanna keep it cooking, you always wanna check the bottom. You wanna check all the time so it doesn't get burned. And that's it, now we just have to wait. Okay guys, so while it's cooking, you wanna find yourself nice pretty plate. And this lot of oil, you don't need all this oil. So you wanna grab some paper towel, put it on the plate, and each one you wanna go like this so the oil go away. It's too much oil, you don't need that much. Okay, so the other side is cooking. Let's see if it's ready, my friends. Almost, maybe 2 more minutes it's ready. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, my friends, now it's ready. So we're just gonna grab them, put it on the plate with the paper towel so all the oil soaks in on the paper towel. Remember, we don't wanna have too much oil, we wanna keep it healthy. Okay. Oh, look at that, look at that. Look at that, that's good, my friends, that's what you wanna see. Okay. All on the paper towel. Okay, so you wanna leave it here a few minutes, let it cool down, let all the oil go away. Then we're gonna decorate on a clean plate. Then, my friends, the best part, we're gonna try it. See you soon, my friends. Okay guys, so it's ready. We put it on the pretty plate. Now we're gonna decorate it. We have 2 pieces of parsley. And we're gonna decorate real nice. And we have some cucumber. Put it on the sides. Make it nice and pretty for your family. Just like this. Like that. Look at that. Oh man. This, my friends, Armenian cheese pie. Now's the best part. We're gonna try it. Let me get my knife. Okay guys, so I'm gonna grab a piece and we're gonna try it. Cut it a little bit. Oh my friends. Cheers. Na zdrowie. Oh. You taste the cheese, the dough, the oregano. Oh man. This, my friends, is perfect. You cook it for your family, your friends, party, marty. It's gonna be good. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. More videos soon. Goodbye, my friends.